Hi friends, good afternoon. So today I have taken the topic profit and loss. I'll tell you the formula first, what we will use in profit and loss. Later I'll explain you the problems. Okay. So cost price. Cost price means at which an article is bought, that is cost price. And selling price is at which price we will sell an article is a selling price. Selling price is more than cost price, it's profit. Cost price is greater than selling price, obviously we will get a loss. So you know these basics. And to know the profit, selling price minus cost price. To know the loss, cost price minus selling price. And profit percentage is calculated based on profit divided by cost price into 100, and loss percentage is loss into 100 by cost price. Percentage of profit or loss is based on calculated based on cost price of an article. Okay. Profit is we can also, if profit is not given, selling price cost price is given, then we can find it by substituting selling price minus cost price is profit, cost price minus selling price is our loss. Okay. And next, if profit percentage is given and cost price is given, to know the selling price, this is the formula: 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100 into CP. If it is loss, 100 minus loss percentage by 100 into CP. To know the cost price, if you know the selling price and profit percentage, then this is the formula to calculate cost price. Okay, 100 by 100 plus profit percentage and into selling price, and cost price is equals to 100 by 100 minus loss percentage into selling price. Okay. And if the cost price of two articles are same, then one is sold for X% profit and other is sold at X% loss, then there will be no loss or gain. Okay. If cost price is same for the two articles, one is sold at X% profit, X% loss and other, then there will be no loss or gain for us. Okay. If selling price of two articles is same, if selling price is same, one is sold at X% profit and other is sold at X% loss, then there will be a loss of always X by 10 whole square percentage. There will be always loss percentage, which is X by 10 whole square percentage. Okay. If selling price is same, cost price is same, then there will be no loss, no gain. Okay. And this is the formula for depreciation. Depreciation is given calculated by the formula. This is X into 1 minus R by 100 whole power N. Okay. An increment formula is X into 1 plus R by 100 into N. Okay. This formula will be mostly we will use in to calculate suppose a village population is given as X. Every year it is increasing, or every year it is increasing by R percentage for 3 years. Okay. Then what will be the if they will ask for what will be the population of the village n years ago, means we will simply keep this n years. N is years here, R is percentage, and X is the population of the village. Depreciation ago means we will calculate using this formula. Increment means every year increment percentage is R, years is N, and population of the village is X. Okay. This is the formula to use. We will use to calculate the village population after 3 years or 4 years something. Okay. This is for increment and this is for depreciation or decrement. And see this formula. This is ratio of profits is equals to ratio of investments. Okay. Profit ratio is equals to investment ratio. P1 by P2 is equals to I1 by I2. And sometimes if they will also give the time periods, no, at that time I1 T1 by I2 T2 means investment 1 time 1 and investment 2 and time 2. Okay. And P1 by I1 is equals to P1 by T1 equal to P2 by T2 is equals to I1 by I2, or P1 by I1 P2 by I2 is equals to T1 by T2. So using this formula we will calculate two variables they will give, they will ask us to calculate the other variable. This is the formula we will use. Okay. Now we will see the problems. Okay. If the cost price of cost price is 96% of selling price, then what is the profit percentage? Fine. So cost price is 96% of selling price. Let us suppose take selling price as 100 rupees, then cost price is 96% means it's 96 rupees. See, this is how we'll calculate. 96% of 100 is our cost price, so the selling price means 100 we have taken we'll consider it as 100 rupees. So 96% of 100 is 96 rupees is our cost price. Now they have asked us to find the profit percentage. Obviously selling price is more, we will get the profit, so they are asking us to find the profit percentage. So to know the profit, SP minus CP, 100 minus 96 is our gain, which is 4. So 100 minus 96 is 4 rupees our gain. 4 rupees is what percent of 96 percentage? 96 rupees, okay, of cost price. So gain by CP into 100, 4 by 96 into 100 is 25 by 6, which is 4.17 is the answer. Okay, 4.17 percentage is the profit percentage we will get. A person incurs 10% loss by selling a watch for rupees 1140 rupees. At what price should the watch be sold to earn a profit of 5% on the watch? Okay, so 10% loss is occurring when he will sell it for 1140 rupees. To gain 5% of profit, at what is the selling price he has to sell to gain 5% profit? So let us consider it as CP is 100%. Okay, so this is selling price is what 1140, which is 90% of the cost price, because 10% loss means 100% if we'll consider cost price. This 1140 will be 90% of the cost price. That is the reason why he's getting 10% loss. So 1140 divided by 90%. So to gain 5%, no, this is 1140 is 90% into 105 is 105 means this is the selling price what we will get. Okay, so see here, calculate this, cancel this. 90 means 0 3 with 3 table 3 3 is 338 is 114. So 3 times 35 times 105. So selling price we are getting now is 1330. This is the selling price that he has to sell to gain a profit of 5% on the selling, on the cost price. Okay, hope you understand this better. By selling 33 meters of cloth, one gains the selling price of 11 meters. Find the gain percentage. Okay, selling price of 33 meters of cloth he is selling, so he is gaining some percentage of profit. He is asking us to find the gain percentage. Fine. So when we will get the gain, when selling price is more than cost price, so selling price minus cost price is gain. So what is the selling price here? We don't know the selling price, but we know 33 meters of cloth he is selling. So this selling price itself is our selling price now. So selling price of 33 meters of cloth is selling price of 30 meters minus this is the this 33 meters of cost price we will minus. Okay, so selling price of 33 meters minus cost price of 33 meters is our profit, which is 11 meters selling price. He has given it here. See, 11 meters selling price. So this is the profit he is gaining, right? So that is the reason why we are saying this selling price of 33 meters cloth minus cost price of 33 meters of cloth, which is equals to profit, that is selling price of 11 meters of cloth. Okay, now this is an important step. See here, selling price minus this will come here. Okay, left hand side. So selling price of 11 meters of cloth minus this will come here now. 33 minus 11 meters is 22 meters. Selling price of 22 meters of cloth, which is equals to, it will go right hand side, cost price of 33 meters of cloth, right? So finally what we are getting, 11 meters as a profit, right? that is the cost price. So 11 meters cost price divided by 22 meters cost selling price into 100 is our profit percentage. Okay, to gain, always to know the profit percentage, here it should be a lesser value. Okay, difference by lesser into 100 will always give the profit. Difference by higher value into 100 will always give the loss percentage. So using that, 11 meters is the difference by lesser value 22 meters into 100 will give us the profit percentage, that is 50%. Okay, see, we will see one more question. A vendor bought bananas at 6 for rupees 10 and sold them at 4 for rupees 6. Find his gain percentage or loss percentage. We don't know he will get gain or loss. Okay, we have to find gain or loss and the percentage, right? So see, let the number of bananas be, minimum number of bananas he will sell be LCM of 6 and 4. Okay, so we will take because to know the whether he will get gain or loss percentage, first of all we should know the minimum number of bananas he can sell by this, right? So this will be, number of bananas will be LCM of 6 and 4, that is 12. So cost price is equals to what he has given, 6 for 10 he has bought now. So for 10 rupees he has bought 6 and the total number of bananas are 12. Okay, so this is the minimum cost price we can expect, right? 20 rupees. So selling price we will see, he has sold 4 for 6, right? So this will see here, selling price is 6 rupees by 4, no? 4 for 6 rupees. So 6 by 4 into which is total number of bananas 12. So that is selling price is 18 rupees. Cost price is 20, selling price is 18. So obviously he will occur a loss of 2 rupees. So difference by, to know the loss percentage I have told you, difference by bigger value into 100 is our loss percentage. So difference is 2 rupees and the bigger value is 20. So 20 into 100 is 10% loss he will occur on the whole transaction. Okay. See, one more question here we have. The profit earned by selling an article for 832 rupees is equal to the loss incurred when the same article is sold for 448. Okay, what should be the selling price for making 50% of profit? Fine. So profit is occurring when he is selling it for 832 rupees. Okay, some X profit he is getting. So he is asking us to, and he is also saying that this profit which is equals to the loss when it is sold for 448 rupees. So this profit is equals to this loss. That is the first step we have to make. Profit is equals to loss here. Okay, and he is asking us to find the selling price to make 50% of the profit. Fine. So he has given initially the selling price is 832 rupees and he is gaining some profit, right? So selling price minus cost price is our profit, and he is saying when when the selling price is 448, he is gaining a loss, that is cost price minus selling price is equals to loss, right? So 832 minus cost price is equals to profit, cost price minus 448 is equals to loss, and he said profit is equals to loss. So I have taken this here, this profit is equals to loss. So here you see 832 minus cost price is equals to cost price minus 448, profit is equals to loss, right? So from this 2CP is equals to 1280, cost price is our 640 we are getting, and selling price you see here 640 divided by 100. 640 is our 640 is our cost price, no? This is 100%. To gain 50% of profit on this is 640 is 100% into 150 what we want to because he has asked 50% profit, what is the, to gain the 50% of profit, what is the selling price he has asked. That is the reason why we are taking this step. Okay, 640 divided by 100. 640 is our 100% of cost price So what is 150 percentage? So into 150 is 960 rupees. If he will sell it for 960 rupees, then he will gain a profit of 50%. Okay. See here, a trader mixes three varieties costing 50 rupees, 20 rupees and 30 rupees per kg. Okay, three varieties of something he is mixing with 50, 20, 30 rupees per kg in the ratio of 2:4:3 ratio he is mixing. Okay, in terms of weight. Okay, in terms of weight 2:4:3 ratios he is mixing. Okay, and sells the mixture at 33 rupees per kg. Then what is the profit percentage does he make? Okay, so see here, cost price of 9 kg. Why I am taking 9 kg here? I am taking directly 243 as a kgs of in terms of weight itself. 2 kg, 4 kg, 3 kg. 2 plus 3, 7 plus 2, which is 9 kg. This is the cost price that I am. This is the 9 kg of 3 variants he is mixing. Okay, so 50 rupees costing 50 rupees item he is mixing 2 times. So 50 into 2 is the cost price of first one. So 20 into 4 is the cost price of second variety, and 30 into 3 is the cost price of third variety. So what is the cost price in total I am getting for this 9 kg is 270 rupees. 50 into 2 plus 20 into 4 plus 30 into 3 is 270 rupees. This is the cost price that I am getting. And selling price of 9 kg, because cost price of 9 kg I have taken, so 9 kg selling price I want to know. So he told that mixture is sold at 33 rupees per kg. So 9 kg selling price will be 297, and I have got cost price as 270 rupees. Okay, 270, right? So what is the difference? 297 is my cost selling price, 270 is my cost price. This 297 minus 270 will be 27 is the difference. Obviously selling price is greater, so profit he will make. So 270, 27 divided by 270 into 100. I have told you difference by lesser value into 100 will give my profit percentage. So 27 by 270 is my cost percentage into 100, which is 10% is my profit percentage. Okay, and we'll see one more question. A man sold 18 quarts for rupees 16,800 rupees, gaining thereby the cost price of 3 quarts. The cost price of the quart is, okay, he is getting a profit of 3 quarts when he will sell 18 quarts. Nothing but he is saying cost price of, this is 18 plus 3 is the 21 quarts cost price is 16,800. Indirectly he is saying that. So 21 quarts cost price is 16,800. So one quart cost price he is asking us. So 16,800 divided by 21 is 800. So that is the cost price of single quart. Okay, see, we can also solve like this. Selling price of quarts minus cost price of selling price of 18 quarts, right? Selling price of 18 quarts he has given. So minus cost price of 18 quarts will give us the profit percentage, which is the cost price of 3 quarts, right? He has given profit is cost price of 3 quarts. That is the reason why I have directly taken this step. Okay, and cost price of 21 quarts. From this we can say this will minus cost price of 18 articles will go right hand side. After going right hand side, the 18 plus 3 is 21 quarts cost price is equals to selling price of 18 quarts, which is 16,800 rupees, and cost price of 1 quart is 16,800 by 21, that is 800 rupees is the cost for one single quart. Okay, and the last question I have, I'll solve it 1 second. This is the last question. A girl purchased a table at 9/10th percentage of its selling price, and sold it at 8% more than selling price. Find the profit percentage. Okay. Girl purchased a table 9 by 10th of its selling price. Fine. Let us take selling price. Here it is a major factor, selling price. So I am considering it as 100 rupees. Okay. If selling price is 100%, 100 rupees, then 9 by 10th of it will be 90 rupees is the cost price to the girl, because she has bought it for 9 by 10th of its selling price. So cost price is 90 rupees. 9 by 10 into 100 is our 90 rupees. So this is the girl's cost price, and girl sold it for 8% more than the selling price. Selling price is 100, 8% more means, and 8% of 100 is 8 rupees. So 108 rupees she is selling, right? So her girl's selling price will be 108. Her cost price is 90 itself. So how much she is gaining? She is intelligent, so she is selling it for 108, but she has bought it for 1% discount on that, 10% discount on it, right? So this obviously, to know the profit percentage, difference divided by lesser value into 100 I have told you. So what is the difference here? 18 by 90 into 100. 18 na difference, 18 by 90 into 100, which is 20% profit she is making. Okay friends, this is the session that I have taken for this profit and loss. If you want more questions like this with new techniques, please let me know in comment section. Thank you.